Welcome to the class. See, in our previous class we have derived some of the standard integrals and we have used those integrals to integrate some of the given functions. So in this class let us consider some more functions. See, integration using product formula. So these product formulas, see, I have written already. See, these four product formulas, we have derived these formulas in first PUC. So let us use these formulas. See, what are the product formula? See, observe the left hand side. See, all the left hand side they are product. See, right hand side some are the difference. So if I have 2 sin x cos y, observe this, 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. So x and y are angles. Then if a cos, product of cos and sin, see 2 cos x and sin y. So 2 cos x sin y can be written as sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Then third product formula is 2 cos x cos y, see product of cos and cos. 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Then minus 2 sin x sin y is equal to cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. So you should remember all these formulas to integrate the given functions. Otherwise, we cannot integrate them. Okay. So there are alternate methods also. But if you remember these formulas, it will be very easy for us. So let us consider one example. So I will write one example here. So let us integrate. Okay. So integrate sin 2x cos 3x. So observe this sin 2x. Observe this, integrate sin 2x into cos 3x. Observe this. So to integrate this, see, this is a product, sin 2x into cos 3x. So we don't have direct formula. So what is the technique here? See, here out of these four product formulas, which formula is suitable for this? See, sin into cos. Observe this, sin into cos. That means sin into cos. So I can use this. See, 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. So here I have sin 2x cos 3x. That means I want only sin x cos y. So that formula becomes, see, sin x cos y is equal to, this 2 comes to the denominator. I can write this formula as half into this sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Okay. So I will write that formula once again. So this formula is of sin x cos y. So that sin x cos y is equal to half into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Okay. So let us integrate this now. See, y is equal to, see, integration of, see, sin 2x into cos 3x. That is, observe this, sin 2x into cos 3x. So here this is x and this is what? Y. See, this is x and this is y. Sin x cos y. So that is sin x, see, sin x cos y can be written as sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y divided by 2. This half I can write outside because it is a constant, see, half into. So integration of this, see, that is sin of, observe this carefully, sin of, okay, half into sin of, see, x means what? 2x plus y means 3x. Okay. Plus, see, this product becomes a sum plus a sin of, see, x minus y, that is 2x minus 3x with respect to x. So sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Then I will write this half as it is. Then integration of, see, sin 2x plus 3x is what? Sin 5x plus, so this is sin, this 2x minus 3x, that is minus x with respect to x. Okay. Then this half I will write it as it is. So integration of two terms, that is individually I can integrate this. So integration of sin 5x with respect to x, then see, plus integration of sin of minus x, sin of minus x with respect to x. So that is half into, so I write this integration of sin 5x as it is. Afterwards I can integrate x. See, sin of minus x. See here, sin of minus x means sin of minus theta. So what is sin of minus x? Sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x. We know the formula. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So sin of minus x is minus sin x. So that this minus comes outside. So minus integration of sin x with respect to x. Now I can write half as it is. So integration of sin 5x. So I can write the formula. So integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x. Okay. Integration of sine x is minus cos 5x divided by, write the coefficient of x in the denominator 5, minus integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x. See, plus constant of integration. Okay. Integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x. Integration of sine 5x is minus cos 5x divided by 5. Then in the next step, write all the terms same. See, minus into minus, that becomes plus. That is the last step. So we can write that as the last step. That is okay, half into, see, minus cos 5x divided by 5, then minus into minus, that will be what? Plus cos x plus constant of integration. See, in this way we can use the product formula. See what I have done? Sin x cos y. Sin x cos y, that can be written as, see, half into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. I have used the first formula. So substitute here, 2x minus 3x is minus x. Sin of minus x is nothing but minus sin x. That is because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So that becomes minus. So integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x. So then that will be minus into minus plus, that will be cos x. So similarly, we can make use of remaining formulas. Okay, this is the first example. So you note down the solution of this. Then okay, let me consider another example. So here in this case we have used the first result. Then let us consider another okay, second example. So integrate cos 4x cos x. Observe this, cos 4x into cos x. See, observe the product, cos into cos. So which formula we can use this? See here. See, 2 cos x cos y. Okay, 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. So cos x cos y is equal to half of this. So formula is, see, cos x cos y is equal to half into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Okay, this third one, can use the third result. This is cos, product of cos and cos is there. So cos x cos y is equal to half of cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. So we can use this formula. Now we replace this c. Now I can use this c, half. So I will write this half outside. Okay, this half outside. Cos of, see, observe this carefully. Cos of, see, x means this, you treat this as first angle, this is second angle, this is x and this is y. So cos of 4x plus x plus cos of 4x minus x, that's it. Then half into, this one is cos of 4x plus x is what? 5x plus cos of 4x minus x is what? 3x. Okay, with respect to x. Now half into, see, okay, integration of this. So we have to integrate these two separately. See, integration of cos 5x with respect to x plus integration of cos 3x with respect to x. Now half into, see, integration of cos. So integration of cos is what? Sine. So that is sine 5x. We will write the coefficient of x in the denominator. So integration of cos 3x, that is sine 3x, divided by, write the coefficient of x in the denominator, plus c. So this is the required integral. So cos x cos y can be written as half into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. So replace the values. So we get the required integral. So make a note of this. So we have used two results. Then let us go for third example. So integrate sin 4x sin 8x. So observe this sin 4x, sin 8x. See, product of sin into sin. See, sin x into sin y. So where is this? See, sin x into sin y can be written as, we bring this minus 2 to the denominator. The same formula can be written as, okay, I will write this here. Sin x sin y is equal to, see, this minus half into, see, cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Observe that. Cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Then, so we can okay, sin x sin y can be written as this one. So that is integration. See, this minus half, I will write it outside. So half into, say, integration of this. So this thing can be written as, so you treat this as x and this as y. Then I can write that as, see, cos of x means 4x plus 8x minus cos of 4x minus 8x dx. This minus half into integration of, see, cos 12x minus cos of 4x minus 8x, that is what? Minus 4x dx. So minus half into, so integration of, see, cos 12x minus, so observe this, cos of minus 4x. So we know cos of minus x is nothing but cos x. Cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So I can write this as, is as good as cos 4x dx. Then integrate separately cos 12x with respect to x minus, so integration of cos 4x with respect to x. So minus half into, now see, integration of cos x. So integration of cos 12x. Okay, what is the integration of cos x? So integration of cos x is what? Sin x. That is sin 12x divided by the coefficient of x in the denominator. Cos 4x, integration of cos 4x is sin 4x divided by the coefficient of x in the denominator plus constant of integration. So this is the required integral. So in this way we can use the fourth result. So these are the product formulas.